start.
You have turned on recording option is showing on screen. I can see recording option. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. I can see recording option. Yes.
Hello, Jadu. What are you doing?
I am walking here. You know, some people also came here and they will be grazing the buffalo like pet animals, you can say. But I am walking here to make video, you can say. And they are also looking me, you can say. One person is going there. He went there, you can say. And a lot of people are looking me like, what is Jadu doing there? Jadu is talking with someone else like this. They are thinking, yes.
And not in Hindi. Jadu is speaking in English. So it's like a stranger type of things for village people.
Yes, yes, yes. You are right. You are right. A lot of people will find this language strange. You can say they will think that which language like who is like who don't have knowledge about Hindi. Also, that types of person will think that what types of language does Jadu use. Like we don't understand like this. They are thinking. So that's why they are looking at me so amazingly, and they are looking at it continuously. Yes,
So
like
really,
this.
Jadu, I want to know how you learn, how you start speaking English, and how much time it took you to speak English.
Yes, yes. It took around 1 year to, like to become fluent in English. Yes. And actually, before 1 year, I had started speaking English language. No, speaking English language. I was learning vocabulary, that all parts of grammar, you can say, like preposition, conjunction, tense, that all. But before 7, month around, I started practicing by getting idea, like about mirror technique. I got idea of mirror technique, that I started using mirror technique. And when I was using, so now I could become fluent in English. But currently, I'm using mobile camera and other Skype application for improving my English language. Like this, like this, I became fluent in English. And in every topic I keep on speaking, like I find topic first of all. And then in that topic, I will speak like this. I will improve my English language like this. It's my idea. Yes, this is my way to practice English by using pronoun also. I think my way to improve English language by using pronoun. I go like this, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
English is all about practice, Jadu. The more we start practicing anything, not only English, whatever we want to learn, if we start practicing, then obviously it will improve.
Yes, 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 yes. If we will practice more and more, definitely we can improve our English language goods, you can say. But some people, I think a lot of people are also in my village. Yes, I think they say that, we have knowledge about English. Like a lot of people by watching me on YouTube, they are saying that, Jadu, we also know English language, but we are unable to speak English language. We have knowledge because we have studied in English medium school. I think they have forgotten English language. So I suggested them, you all need to practice more and more. Again, English will come to your mind. Again, English will come to your mind. You need to practice, and it will work out only by practicing. Without practice, you can't improve your English language. Like, yeah, that's why, because English is not our native language. How can we improve our English language? Only by practicing we can improve our English language. Like we can get a lot of way also on YouTube to practice English language. A lot of people will have told on this topic how to practice English speaking, like Dehati madam. A lot of YouTubers are here on YouTube to tell on this topic. You can watch their video. Yes, like this.
Yes, Jadu, but when it comes to speaking, we have a lot of fear. But what people will say about if we make mistakes, what people will say about our English, and people start laughing at us. So the fear was so big that we forgot to start speaking, forget to start speaking, and we have a lot of fear. So that's why we are unable to start speaking. But for learner, we both have. I'm suggesting that we need to overcome our fear. Then only you can speak English. So whenever we want to learn anything, we need to come out of our comfort zone and start speaking. The more you speak, don't bother about your mistakes. We should start speaking. So in this way, yes, Jadu.
Yes, you are right. You are right. Yes, yes, yes. Like this, people are thinking. Beginner person are thinking like this. You can say who is beginner. A lot of people I saw on Skype application. Yes, I think a lot of new people came on Skype application nowadays. Like they are being added by other person, and they say that like I will make mistake. Don't. That's why I don't want to talk with you video call. Like this, they are saying. But I think we should not say like this. But whether we will make mistake, English can be improved only by making mistake. I also made many time a lot of mistakes in my life. When I was beginner, I was using verb to in present simple tense, you can say. Like this, I made mistake many times. But like this, by using pronoun, like this practice I started, and mirror technique, you can say, by taking topic, I improved my English language. Now I can speak good English. Then before, you can say, nowadays
And
I can speak
especially
better.
for housewives, people say, what will you do to learn English? What's the need of learning English? But I think, Jadu, it's not only learning English, it's a transforming life journey. when you start learning English and you do with consistency, persistence, then not only you can learn English, you can change your life. What I felt in my 2 years journey of learning English. So it's like that. And we
Yes.
can meet new people, so we can learn many things.
Yes, yes, yes. Like English, if you will learn this language, so I have heard, if speaking of some YouTubers, yes, like they are saying that, if you will learn English language, suppose if you have learned English language, so it will also help you to learn another language also besides English language. Like this, they are saying. Yes, you
Yes,
can
yes.
say.
Today,
So,
like you, I learned from you that we can record video by walking. So I am trying. First time I am trying to create this type of video while walking. So I learned from you how to create a video while walking. So
yes,
Jatu, tell me anything which you want to share for English learner or for YouTuber, which you like to share for improving their life.
yes, yes, yes. Like everyone wants, this language. You can say everyone wants to learn this language, but some people are unable to learn English language because I think they will not be getting any idea. Even they don't have any idea. Even they don't know how to get idea about this language. And some people don't know about grammar. Which all grammar I have to learn. Some people think that English, which is English language, this can be learned only by going abroad country. Like this, they are thinking like I will have if I will go to America.
I'm interrupting you, Jadu. What about grammar? What do you think? Like, have you learned grammar and after that you start speaking, or you just start practicing English?
I have learned grammar also because this is very important. Grammar is very important for every person. But if you think that just if I will know English language, how to speak English language, so it is enough for you. But if you want to become teacher, yes, if you want to become teacher, anything, so you need to learn grammar also because you will teach what is tense. You can say so. That's why we need to learn grammar also along with speaking English language. By practicing, practice also very important. You can say like grammar. Along with grammar, we have to learn speaking, practicing everything we have to do, then we can become teacher and speaker, good speaker. Otherwise I think very well about some people like from America, like they have their own language which is English. You can say like they can speak English language, and but some people don't know how to what is tense. They don't know what is tense. You can say
Yes,
that's why if you want to learn about grammar, so that is yes,
yes, yes, yes.
like
True, true.
yes, yes. That's why we need to learn grammar also, so that in the future we can become teacher, and also it's also in our village we can teach some students. That's why I'm learning. Which is grammar along with speaking English language, practicing also. But if any person, if someone will practice only and is speaking, speak English only, so I think he will not be able to improve his grammar. So he will not be able to teach other student because he doesn't know tense. Just he knows how to speak English language. He doesn't know. Yes, like suppose
Yes,
you
yes.
will ask.
And one
Yes.
more thing I want to add, Jadu, mindset matters a lot. Because if we decided that, okay, now I want to learn English, anyhow I can speak. But within 6 months or after after 1 year, we feel that we are not improving. People say that after putting a lot of effort, still I am unable to speak. So I want to give up. So that time your mindset matters a lot. We need to keep your mind, we need to say our mind that it's easy, you can do, and we should enjoy our process of learning English. What do you think?
Yes, yes, you are right. Because which is English language, everything can be possible only by working hard, you can say. Until when we want to work completely, hard, you can say we can't get success in that thing. Suppose if you want, if you want to learn this language, like as I learned this language, you also learned, you are speaking good English. All the same while working, all the same you are speaking good English. Yes. So, if you want to learn this language also, we need to work hard. Like as I told that we can make mistake. When we will be beginner, we can make mistake. We can use verb, simple, like in simple past tense, we can use verb one also. It can also be like that. So that's why, but we don't have to fear from our mistake, whether we will make mistake, but we need to learn from our mistake. That I made mistake again, I should not make mistake. Like this, we should keep practicing. Like mirror technique, we can use for that. And beginner person, mirror technique, you can say. Otherwise, mobile camera is better. You can say like you can record yourself. Pronunciation of speaking, you can improve. Clarity of speaking, you can improve. Like you can speak clearly. A lot of people are making mistake nowadays. I saw beginner person are making mistake. Like there is, like they are not saying like properly. Like I have heard, but I think a lot of people I suggested them to improve their pronunciation, and a lot of people from Jharkhand also are improving pronunciation by getting motivation through me. Yes, by calling. Yes.
Yes, yes. because mother tongue influence came in our speaking. So we need to correct it. But after all, this journey is very enjoying.
And as you told that, like we are mixing some mother tongue also, right? Sometimes a lot of people are so like they are mixing their mother tongue in their English, you can say. Actually, and even a lot of people are also thinking about me, Jadu, you are not using your mother tongue in your spoken English. And I think you must have forgotten your mother tongue because you are speaking good English. So I think you don't know your mother tongue, native language, you don't know. Like they are saying, but who speaks by mixing some words in some, like his mother tongue, you can say, like when he will speak. So about him, people will think that he knows also his native language. Along with native language, he also knows English language. But some people from my village think that nowadays Jadu, I think Jadu will have forgotten his native language. He can't speak in his native language.
Every time he's speaking English. Jadu is speaking only English, and English has changed Jadu's life. Okay, Jadu, it's nice talk to you. Bye.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Again, we will talk some other time if you want, so you can call me. Yes.
Yeah.